Hello, my name is Victor. I'm a sales manager of a company which is called NEOKOREA, and our company is specialized in Korean automobile spare parts. So if you are interested in purchasing wholesale quantities of Korean automobile spare parts, please contact us. I'll put the link down below. You should fill out a simple form with the name of your company. I recommend to attach an Excel file with the description of the auto parts you're interested in. In my last video, I told you that we actually have to reject most of the companies contacting us, and the reason is that they are not interested in purchasing wholesale quantities. We don't work with small quantities. In case you decide to contact us, you should be interested in working on a wholesale basis. We also produce some of the auto parts under our own brand, NEOKOREA, and so if you're interested in working with our brand, if you're interested in purchasing products under our own brand, you can also contact us as well. We are one of the major suppliers on an international market. We're a major supplier of genuine, non-genuine, rebuilt OEM spare parts, and our team is able to speak many languages such as Chinese, Korean, Japanese, English, Russian, French, Arabic, and so we are looking forward to working with you. You can contact me personally. I'll put my email here, I guess here, somewhere here. I'll put my email down in the description of this video. Please ask questions. I'm looking forward to working with you together, and I hope that you will contact us or contact me personally. It will be a mutually beneficial collaboration.